If you're an Android user who's interested in joining the Discord community, this video is for you. In this video, I will walk you through the process of creating a Discord account on your Android device, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to chat with your friends and join all sorts of servers. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. First of all, download and install the Discord mobile application from the Google Play Store and then open it up. After that, simply tap on Register. And now you have two different options to register your Discord account. You can either type in your phone number or you can type in your email. So go ahead and type in whichever one you like. After you type that in, tap on Next. And now you have to type in a username for your account. After that, type in your password over here. So make sure to create a strong password with a combination of letters, symbols, and numbers. Once you have typed in your password, tap on the Next button. And now you have to select your date of birth. Then tap on Confirm. And now go ahead and tap on Create an account. So now what you want to do next is choose a profile picture for your Discord account. You can tap on this plus icon over here to select a photo from your gallery, or you can select one of these Discord avatars. Or you can skip adding a profile picture. So I'm simply going to skip adding one. Tap Next. And now you have successfully created a new Discord account using your Android phone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.